Well, I think I'm going to make a Christmas painting now. So I have finished the skin and the hair. I did not record that bit, mostly because that's not my strongest point. Still need practice in that area. The skin and the hair is the most difficult part, at least for me, and I have to work towards making myself better on it. More practice, the better it gets. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest one, and that you will get to see. I was always looking to do a nativity painting for Christmas, so this year I finally decided to do it. I primarily use this picture as a reference to make this painting. I was aiming for a stained glass look with vibrant colors. I hope I managed to achieve that. The painting's done now. It's time to sign.